You should have told me to bring a suit.
Well, that would have spoiled the surprise.
Thank you.
We got 2 American soldiers who had the conviction to say, we won't stay.
Deserters. They'll hang our asses. We're going back tonight.
Why go back now?
You made a commitment.
You don't know the meaning of the word.
Please don't go.
I've never been committed to a damn thing in my whole life. Not the war, nothing. Until now.